Hey guys, it's Angie. Today I'm going to share with you how I made $500 in 5 hours with free inventory I got dumpster diving. If you are new here, I am Angie Resells and I have been an eBay seller for over 20 years. I love to source at all kinds of different places to resell on eBay, so thanks for stopping in. So, as many of you know, last week I went dumpster diving at the Crazy Cazboys. I could not believe my eyes when I went around the side of the building and there were boxes upon boxes upon boxes of brand new pillows. I was shocked. I got them home and thought, let's go back for a second round. In all, we picked up over 200 pillows of 3 varieties: flamingos, fish pillows, and 10 palm tree pillows. The problem with getting a huge inventory like this is, where do you store it? So my living room was completely overrun and we needed to figure out a way to move them quickly. So after consulting with my mom, we decided that we were going to lot them up in lots of 2, put them in 12 by 12 priority boxes, and list them on Facebook Marketplace. So our strategy was to start with the flamingo pillows. They were so cute and I thought some people are going to really love this. If you're not familiar with Facebook Marketplace, here's how it works. A customer will see your item and they'll place an order with Facebook. Facebook lets you know and then you ship out the item. Once they receive it, 5 days later, that's when you get paid. I knew that I had 50 lots of 2 pillows each of the flamingo pillows, so I didn't want to be out $500 or more for shipping. So I went ahead and used the Facebook shipping, where the customer pays the shipping directly to Facebook and I use a Facebook prepaid label. Now it ended up costing the customers a few extra dollars in most cases, I think, but for me, I was looking at a big inventory that I wanted to unload as quickly as possible. So Friday night at 5 p.m. we posted our listing: 2 pillows, $10 plus shipping. And then we waited. I had put them on eBay and Poshmark without much success the previous 2 days, but it was a higher price, and so we thought $10, how could you go wrong with that? Then the orders started coming in and we were like, yay, this is awesome. So we had started putting the boxes together. We had about 20 boxes set up right at the beginning, 2 pillows in each box, and just got them ready. Thank goodness I had a lot of the 12 by 12 by 8 priority boxes in my inventory because I had plenty of boxes available. But then the orders started coming fast and furious, which was crazy as far as we're concerned. We started doing an assembly line. I would tape the boxes to give it its form. My mom would put the pillows in the box and my daughters would tape them completely closed. And then once we got a label, we would put the label on the box and stack it on the other side of the room. I started getting all of these questions about, would I combine shipping? No. How do they pick them up? I'm like, I don't know if we'll have any ready, available tomorrow. Where are you located? It was just kind of crazy and like this frenzy. By 10 o'clock, we had sold all 50 sets of pillows, making $500 in 5 hours. The crazy thing is, the next day we decided to put our fish pillows up and try it the same way. What the heck, it worked for the first one. Now for some reason, these ones were a little slower to move. We had a few sales on Saturday, a few on Sunday, but then the week started, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday came, and all of a sudden, we had 50 of those and they sold as well. So since Friday, I have sold 100 sets of pillows for a profit of $1,000. And our cost of inventory was nothing. Zero, zilch, nada. It only took us dumpster diving in the Crazy Cazboys, daring to fill our car with pillows 2 times. And luckily, now my living room is clear. Now I do still have 10 of the palm leaf pillows because they're 22 by 22. Not sure exactly how I'm going to handle those, but with the amount of money that we made on the other ones, I'm okay with holding off until the weekend to worry about those pillows. But honestly, the most exciting, crazy adventure, getting free inventory, and I never thought ever that I would be able to make $1,000 in a few days on a bunch of pillows. So Bobby the Cap Guy keeps calling me the pillow lady, and I guess I'm gonna have to wear that crown with pride. In case you don't know what Crazy Cazboys is, check out this video right here. It'll show me shopping at their store. And I guess the lesson of this is, don't be afraid to take a chance on something because you just never know what might happen. I appreciate you all watching. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can find out the next time that I go live. And I will see you guys all later. Until next time, I'm Angie. Have a blessed day. Bye.